Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: model, firmware, and admin account so you avoid compatibility issues. Once done, plug your PC into the management LAN or use the console cable and set a static IP in the same subnet. Now open your browser to https / followed by the device IP and port 8384 or establish a serial session. This gives you secure admin access to start configuration without guesswork. You will run the initial setup wizard to map interfaces to WAN and LAN zones and to set time and DNS. This ensures logs and policies align correctly. Next, create network objects for WAN and LAN, set the default route, and configure NAT so inside hosts reach the internet. Make an admin account, enable secure remote management if needed, and save a configuration backup. That protects your work and lets you recover quickly if something goes wrong. You now create policies. Allow LAN to WAN, deny risky ports, and apply logging so you can see decisions. Once policies are in place, test connectivity with ping, traceroute, and normal web access while watching live logs to confirm policy hits. If traffic is blocked unexpectedly, check interface IPs, routing, and NAT configuration first, then review policy order and firmware. Often a misplaced rule or missing NAT causes the problem. Fix that, then retest to confirm the system is operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.